In a bustling city lived a world-renowned artist famous for painting human emotions so realistically. People said his portraits could speak. He had a lifelong dream to paint two specific faces. One is the face of pure love and peace. Second one is the face of pure hate and evil. The artist traveled through villages, markets, and festivals looking for the perfect face of love. Finally, at a temple, he found a young boy. The boy's eyes were filled with universal kindness, and despite his poverty, his smile was so peaceful it could calm a warring world. The artist painted him, and the portrait, titled "The Source of Love," became legendary, bringing tears and peace to everyone who saw it. Many years passed. The artist grew old, but he still hadn't found the face of hate. He visited battlefields and dark alleys, but nothing satisfied his vision. Eventually, he heard of a death row prisoner famous for his cruelty. The artist visited the dark, cold cell. Looking at the chained man, he saw a face twisted by anger, malice, failure, and bitterness. "This is it," the artist thought, and he quickly finished the second portrait. When the painting was done, the prisoner began to sob uncontrollably. Confused, the artist asked, "Why are you crying? With a face like that, I should be the one afraid of you." The prisoner replied through tears, "Sir, don't you recognize me? Many years ago, you painted a little boy as the image of love. I am that same boy. Bad habits, a lack of guidance, and a toxic environment had turned an angel into a monster." Key lessons from the story. Environment matters. It doesn't matter how we are born. What matters is the environment we create and the choices we make. Change is possible. If yesterday's love can turn into today's hate, then today's failure can also turn into tomorrow's great success. Change is in your hands. Your life is like a brush in your hand. The colors you choose will determine the painting of your future. We cannot control our birth, but the decisions we make at every stage of life determine which face we wear, the face of love or the face of hate. If you like this story, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.